What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing the catch can by Billet Technologies. The catch can finally got here. It took about a month and a week or so. It was along the way, but it's so worth it. So I'll be putting down the link in the bottom in the description from the Billet Technology website, so that way you guys can go ahead and order yours if you have a Hemi. It's definitely worth it. You know, it takes care of your motor and it can last longer. So I ordered mine in red. It's going to be this one right here. So we're going to be installing it. I'll be showing you guys how to install it. You are going to be needing a ratchet with a 13mm socket, and you will also be needing a flathead. So the flathead is going to be to push out the push button that's in there to be able to install the screw that goes attached to the Z bracket from the catch can. So I ordered mine in red. I'm going to be doing my little details inside the engine in red, so that is the reason why I got mine in red. So let's get this catch can installed. Alright guys, there you have it. We installed the Billet Technology catch can. Now it's good to go. As you guys saw, you guys will have to modify the hoses just a little bit. So make sure you guys take good measurements, cut them up, and then put the hoses on there with the fittings on. Same thing. Another thing you guys want to keep in mind is this little connector here. You want to make sure you turn it. It's going to be pretty hard. So as you guys saw, I got some needle nose. I got a fiber towel. That way I don't damage the rubber fitting. So that's when you turn it, and it's pretty much at the location where the hose is going to the catch can. So there you have it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope this will help you guys out to install the catch can. And other than that, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.